Welcome, dear friends, to today's important discussion about herbal teas and their remarkable potential in helping prevent cancer. Have you ever wondered why some of the simplest, most natural remedies that our grandparents relied upon seem to get so little attention today, especially when it comes to something as serious as cancer prevention? Let me share a sobering fact with you. Every single year, more than 18 million people around the world receive a cancer diagnosis. That number is roughly equivalent to the entire population of a major country, and unfortunately, it continues to grow. But here's what really makes me wonder. Why do so few people know about the protective power that might be sitting right in their kitchen cupboard in something as simple and comforting as a cup of tea? Could it be that the ancient wisdom passed down through generations is being overshadowed by modern treatments and pharmaceutical interests? What if Mother Nature has already provided us with tools to strengthen our body's defenses, reduce harmful inflammation, and help our cells stay healthy, all without the challenging side effects that often come with synthetic medications? Today, we're going to explore the most effective teas for cancer prevention. And I want you to know that everything we'll discuss is backed by solid scientific research, not old wives' tales or wishful thinking. Some of these teas contain compounds so powerful that laboratory studies have shown they can actually disrupt cancer cell growth. Yet, surprisingly, very few people are talking about them. Makes you wonder why, doesn't it? Please stay with me through this entire discussion, because we're not just going to list different teas. We're going to explain exactly how to use them in your daily routine, the right way to prepare them, and which tea might be surprisingly more effective than many expensive supplements on the market today. I promise you, when we get to number 5 on our list, it will completely transform how you think about your morning cup of tea. Before we begin, I want to remind you that while this information is carefully researched and verified by professional scientists, it's meant for educational purposes. This isn't a substitute for your doctor's advice, and you should always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your health routine. Number 1. Hibiscus tea. Let's start with a beautiful flower that makes an equally beautiful tea. Hibiscus tea, with its gorgeous ruby red color and pleasantly tart flavor, has been enjoyed for centuries. But recent scientific discoveries suggest it might do much more than just please our taste buds. In 2024, researchers published a fascinating study in Scientific Reports. They looked at how hibiscus extract affected lung cancer cells. What they found was truly remarkable. The hibiscus extract could actually stop these harmful cancer cells from growing and spreading. It did this by triggering the cell's natural self-destruction process, something scientists call apoptosis, and by affecting specific pathways in the cells that control their growth. To enjoy hibiscus tea's potential benefits, I recommend brewing 1 to 2 cups daily. Simply take dried hibiscus petals, about a tablespoon's worth, and steep them in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The tea has a naturally tart flavor that many people find refreshing. Try to enjoy it without adding sugar, as this allows you to get the maximum health benefits from the tea itself. Number 2. Chamomile tea. Now, let's talk about one of the most beloved bedtime teas. Chamomile, with its delicate flowers and gentle nature, has been a trusted friend for those seeking calm and comfort. But this humble flower might be doing more for our health than we ever imagined. In 2023, researchers conducted a comprehensive review published in Integrative Cancer Therapies. They analyzed 18 different clinical studies that looked at various forms of chamomile, including teas, capsules, and topical applications. The findings were encouraging. People who used chamomile experienced fewer complications from certain medical treatments, including reduced oral discomfort, fewer skin issues, and less emotional distress. They also noticed improvements in appetite and overall quality of life. If you'd like to incorporate chamomile into your routine, 1 to 2 cups per day is generally considered safe for most people. I suggest drinking it between meals to help your body absorb its beneficial compounds more effectively. The ritual of preparing and sipping chamomile tea can itself be a calming, healthful practice. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea offers us a warming, spicy comfort that goes beyond its delightful flavor. This root, which many of us keep in our kitchens, contains powerful bioactive compounds that scientists are studying intensively. A 2024 study published in BMC, Complementary Medicine and Therapies, explored how ginger affects ovarian cancer cells. The researchers discovered that ginger could actually stop these cancer cells from invading healthy tissue. It did this by affecting specific molecular pathways that control how cells stick together and express certain genes. Making ginger tea is wonderfully simple. Take a piece of fresh ginger root, about an inch long, and slice it thinly. Steep these slices in hot water for about 10 minutes. Many people enjoy adding a slice of lemon or a small drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor. 1 to 2 cups daily is a good amount for most people. Number 4. Oolong Tea. Oolong tea represents a beautiful middle ground between green and black teas, and it might also represent a powerful ally in cancer prevention. This traditional beverage has an aromatic quality that tea lovers cherish, but its benefits go far beyond its pleasing taste. In 2024, researchers published findings in BioWeb of Conferences about oolong tea's antioxidant properties. They found that oolong tea is rich in catechins and polyphenols, compounds that can neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies and reduce oxidative stress, which is a key factor in cancer development. These antioxidants could also stop certain cancer cells from multiplying and promote their natural death. To enjoy oolong tea's benefits, try brewing 2 to 3 cups throughout your day. It's best consumed between meals to maximize antioxidant absorption. If you're sensitive to caffeine, consider having it earlier in the day or steeping it for a shorter time to reduce the caffeine content. Number 5. Black tea. Here's the tea that might surprise you the most. Black tea, perhaps the most common tea in American households, contains unique compounds called theaflavins. These special polyphenols form during the fermentation process that turns green tea leaves into black tea. A 2024 study in oncology and radiotherapy found something remarkable. Regular black tea consumption led to significant reduction in tumor growth in laboratory models. The researchers attributed this to black tea's ability to activate detoxifying enzymes in the body and reduce oxidative stress pathways. You can safely enjoy 2 to 4 cups of black tea daily. To get the most theaflavins from your tea, steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. You can enjoy it plain or with a splash of milk, but try to avoid adding too much sugar, which can counteract some of the health benefits. Number 6. Dandelion root tea. Those yellow flowers that pop up in our yards might be more than just weeds. Dandelion root tea has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern science is beginning to understand why. In 2024, research published in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine showed that dandelion root extracts could inhibit colorectal cancer cells. The extracts blocked specific pathways associated with inflammation and cancer progression. To prepare dandelion root tea, use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried, roasted dandelion root. Steep it in boiling water for about 10 minutes. 1 cup daily may offer health benefits, though it's important to start slowly and see how your body responds. Number 7. Milk thistle tea. I once knew someone whose grandmother swore by her evening cup of milk thistle tea, believing it kept her body strong and resilient. It turns out, grandmother might have been onto something important. Milk thistle seeds contain a compound called silymarin, which includes several beneficial flavonoids. These compounds are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. A 2025 study in Current Medicinal Chemistry highlighted silymarin's ability to affect cell signaling pathways crucial for cell growth and survival. To make milk thistle tea, crush 1 teaspoon of milk thistle seeds and steep them in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. 1 cup daily is a good starting point for most people. Number 8. Matcha tea. Matcha isn't just a trendy green powder. It's a concentrated source of powerful antioxidants, particularly one called EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. This compound has been extensively studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. A 2023 study in the Archives of Gynecology and Obstetrics found that matcha tea extract decrease the viability of breast cancer cells, and affected hormone receptors that play a role in certain breast cancers. To prepare matcha, whisk 1 to 2 grams of high-quality matcha powder with hot water until frothy. Because you're consuming the entire leaf in powder form, you're getting maximum benefits. Start with 1 cup per day to let your body adjust to its effects. Number 9. Licorice Root Tea. Licorice root tea offers a naturally sweet, earthy flavor that many find comforting. But this ancient remedy might offer more than just a pleasant taste. Research from 2023 highlighted compounds in licorice root, including glyceric acid and liquiritigenin, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds may help support cellular health and modulate immune responses. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. 1 cup daily is generally safe, but be aware that too much licorice can raise blood pressure in some people, so moderation is important. Number 10. Reishi Mushroom Tea. Reishi mushroom, sometimes called the mushroom of immortality, contains compounds like beta-glucans and triterpenoids that support the body's natural defenses. 2023 research explored a reishi-derived product and its effects on lung health in subjects exposed to tobacco carcinogens. The study found reduced lung toxicity and tumor development in those receiving the reishi product. To make reishi tea, simmer 1.5 to 2 grams of dried reishi slices in water for about 30 minutes. This can be consumed once daily as part of a healthful routine. Number 11. Thyme tea. That common herb in your spice rack might be a powerful health ally. Thyme contains thymol, a natural compound that research shows can trigger cancer cell death and stop their proliferation. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried thyme leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy this aromatic tea once or twice daily. Number 12. Moringa tea. Moringa leaves are rich in compounds like quercetin and kaempferol, celebrated antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. A 2024 study found that moringa oil showed significant anti-cancer activity against oral cancer cell lines. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. 1 to 2 cups daily is considered safe for most people. Number 13. Soursop leaf tea. Soursop leaves contain compounds called acetogenins that show cytotoxic effects on cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed, according to 2024 research. Steep 2 to 3 dried soursop leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. 1 cup daily could be a gentle addition to your wellness routine. Number 14. Coriander seed tea. These common seeds contain linalool, a compound that 2023 research shows can suppress gastric cancer cell growth and migration. Gently crush 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, steep in hot water for 10 minutes, then strain. Once or twice daily consumption can be part of a health-conscious routine. Number 15. Pomegranate peel tea. Don't throw away those pomegranate peels. They're rich in polyphenols that 2023 research shows can trigger cancer cell death and stop their proliferation. Dry and grind pomegranate peels into powder. Use 1 teaspoon per cup of boiling water, steeping for 5 to 10 minutes. 1 cup daily may offer benefits. We've explored 15 remarkable teas that might help in cancer prevention. Remember, these teas work best as part of a comprehensive healthy lifestyle that includes good nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and regular medical checkups. Do you already enjoy any of these teas? Have you noticed improvements in your energy, digestion, or overall well-being? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Remember, dear friends, taking care of our health doesn't always require complicated interventions. Sometimes, the simple act of brewing a healing cup of tea, taking a moment to slow down, and nourishing our bodies with nature's gifts can be powerful medicine indeed. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep exploring the gentle, natural ways to protect and strengthen your remarkable body. Here's to your health and many more years of vitality and wellness.